Hi, Dory. This is the Playmobil box. We are unboxing it. Oh, let's see what's in here. Open this up. You want to say hi to Auntie Dory, Nigel? Say hi to Auntie Dory. Hi, Auntie Dory. This is Nigel. Okay. Here we are in Playmobil world. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. Let's see what we have. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, quiet. It's just my toaster. Woohoo! Playmobil VW boss. Yay! Let's open that up. I may have to edit this in order to not have it be boring when I have to put it all together. But let's see what we got. Sometimes there's some assembly required in Playmobil world. So let's see what we have to do here. All right, get this opened up. Get this opened up. All right. Okay. We have the main body of the van. It's looking good. It has a little steering wheel and it needs its trucks and stuff, but looking good. Good start. Then we have the top, the roof of the van. Here's the wheels. So let's see about that. All these little wheels we have to put in, and hubcaps and everything. Oh, and there's stickers too. So plus the interior of the van has like tables and stuff inside for camping. So we'll take a look at that. And then there's stickers and little people and all kinds of things like that. So here's the manual for how to put it together. So I'm going to take a pause on the video and I will use this manual to put it together, and then I'll come back in just a minute. So we've got this little guy in here that goes up flat along to make the table, and then it snaps back down into a seat. So that's cool. Check out this little engine. Woohoo! You can open the boot, and there's a little VW engine in there. Is that the cutest thing ever? And then it has a little European license plate. Eehee. So we have put in the sink, and it has its little fold down table that goes to the side, and it has its little door that opens up. There it is. Sorry, flat fingers, but it opens up and it closes and has a little spigot that you can turn around. And then on the side door, we have our little prepping station for bathroom stuff with a mirror. And the door opens and closes. And there's a little storage shelf on that door that closes. Wheels are on! Woohoo! And they even say VW on the hubcap. Yay! Oh, what happened to my... Okay, so here's our little van again with our little Playmobil people inside. And they're all stacked up and ready to roll. They have all their stuff up top. And their little van has all its little cookies and fun stuff in it. Little things on the table. And they have all their luggage up in the top. And they even have a little map they're looking at for where they're going to go. So yay, little Vanagon people. Oh, he's sitting up high in his chair, I guess. He's got his hand on the steering wheel. And they even have their suitcases and stuff on the top. Beep, beep. Yay, on the road again. So that's my unboxed Playmobil VW Vanagon. Yay.